So hey guys, this time I'm bringing you guys the Honda Civic wireless charger by CarQI Wireless. I mean, if you guys know, I'm a huge fan of these. This one will fit a 2016 to current, so 2020 Honda Civic. You can scan this here for the install video, but I'm going to show you the video too from CarQI Wireless. Really basic. I don't really want to know if you want to call it install video, but give you some instructions here. But like I said, so straightforward. But this one I like a lot. I like the design of this one. I wish the cord had a design like this. You get everything you need just so it's plug and play. So here's the charger itself. You get the USB and the adapter in there, but really nice piece here. There's where you plug it in at. Okay. And then it just plugs into the 12-volt outlet that you have in that secondary cubby. And it has the on-off button too, which is nice. Like I said, I wish the cords had that because it doesn't have that, but really nice here. Rubberized coating so your phone won't slide around. So guys, definitely go to CarQI Wireless. If you guys are looking for a wireless charger for your car, they have a ton for different vehicles. But let me show you the install video that they produced. Really straightforward here. Okay, so you just plug it in and then you fish the wire through. This is what I wish our car had, the secondary. It's so clean. You plug it in here below, put the rubber mat in. Here's the adapter that you get. Just plug it in. That's all there is to it, and it sits down there. I like this. It just has a clean look to it. It looks like it's all wired up. So this is a clean look, guys. If you have a Honda Civic, you want a wireless charger and you don't want to spend the $300 for the OEM one, this is the best option. I love it. I haven't had any issues with it. It charges really fast too. So please check them out, guys, if you want something really nice. And it'll work seamless for you guys. So hope everyone's doing good. Please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. I will catch you guys next time.